Hey, something super cool is coming. Today we found something out of the box that we just had to share with you. Imagine having your very own tiny house with 2 full bedroom, kitchen, bathroom under 50 grand on Amazon and eBay. Yeah, you heard that right. Whether you're dreaming about going off-grid, want a cozy guest house, or you're just tired of paying crazy rent, this could be a total game changer. Let's take a closer look at what you actually get for the price and if this little house is really worth it. Let's dive in. Maple Tiny Home. Price: $35,999. If you've been dreaming about downsizing without giving up comfort or style, let us introduce you to something super special: the Maple Tiny Home. This beauty brings together modern design and natural vibes, all wrapped up in one cozy, smart package. We're talking 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and yes, a huge decked-out balcony where you can sip your morning coffee or chill with friends at sunset. And here are some cool things that will come along with the product. Premium maple wood. It's built from strong, beautiful maple wood. Super durable, well insulated, and it just looks amazing. 2 cozy bedrooms, perfect for families, couples, or even just you and your weekend guests. 2 modern bathrooms. Think sleek fixtures, a roomy shower, and all the essentials. Spacious decked balcony. This is your outdoor lounge spot. Nature views? Yes, please. Open living plus dining area. Bright, airy, and functional. Everything flows together perfectly. Huge windows. Let that natural light pour in and feel the fresh air move through. And clever storage. No space wasted here. Every inch is thoughtfully designed. It will be delivered right to you in a container. Just like an IKEA-style build, you can assemble it in hours. Super fun project and way less stressful than starting from scratch. But yes, the Maple Tiny Home doesn't come with electric, plumbing, or AC pre-installed. Why? So you can set it up your way and follow your local codes. So, ready to make it yours? Let's bring the dream to life. Container Home by Keen Store. Price: $29,000. Time to talk about something super cool today, a tiny prefab home that's not just cute, but seriously livable. Yep, we're talking about a ready-to-move-in container house that has everything you need to feel at home, whether it's for a quick getaway or long-term living. First things first. Yes, it's metal, but it's dressed to impress. The outside is covered in gorgeous dark wood grain-style steel panels that give it a rustic countryside charm. It looks more like a cozy cabin than a shipping container. The black steel frame adds that modern edge, and the light wood-style flooring inside gives it a warm, inviting vibe. It's like bringing the feeling of a peaceful villa straight to your backyard or off-grid land. What's inside? Oh, you're gonna love this. This home comes fully loaded. It is thoughtfully designed with 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 fully equipped kitchen area, and 1 separated wet and dry bathroom. Yes, no need to build anything from scratch. It's all set up with U.S. standard plumbing and electrical systems right out of the box. Just plug it in and start living. Now let's talk size. This beauty expands to a full 800 square feet. Safety? Absolutely. This home is built on a rock-solid steel frame made from tough square steel tubes. It's fire-rated Class A, can handle strong winds up to level 11, and even withstands seismic levels up to 9. Talk about sturdy. Just a heads up, if you're in an area that gets heavy snow, make sure to clear off the roof if it gets more than 6.6 feet high. And here's the cherry on top: natural light for days. The home includes 10 large windows plus a smaller one in the shower and a glass entry door that lets the sunlight pour in. All the windows and doors are made from high-quality broken bridge aluminum, and the walls and roof are insulated with flame-retardant foam panels. That means it stays warm in the winter, cool in the summer, and quiet all year round. So if you've been dreaming of living small but living well, this might be the home that makes it real. Mahogany by Tiny Homes USA. Price: $28,999. If you've been dreaming of a cozy little cabin that's got style, functionality, and that warm "I'm finally home" feeling, then let me introduce you to the Mahogany wooden home. It's barn style, it's tiny, but it's mighty. We're talking 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a full kitchen all packed into one gorgeous 450 square foot space. And here's the real showstopper. This beauty is built entirely from premium mahogany wood. Yeah, the good stuff. Strong, weather-resistant, and oh so stunning with those deep, rich tones. Let us give you a detailed look. You've got 2 cozy bedrooms perfect for family, guests, or even a creative studio. An open-concept living space, plenty of room to chill, dine, or Netflix and doze. Tons of natural light thanks to big windows that keep the space bright and airy. And smart storage solutions because we love a clutter-free vibe. It's not just beautiful, it's a thoughtful design. Whether you're going minimalist, setting up a guest house, or escaping to the perfect weekend getaway, this home fits the dream. Simple, elegant, practical. The Mahogany wooden home isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. Ready to make it yours? Start your journey to stylish, sustainable living today. Doublestory container home by Barn Estate Group Store. Price, $33,500. Now let us introduce to you a home that moves with you, adapts to your lifestyle, and still looks super sleek. Let me introduce you to the game changer, the Doublestory flat pack house. First things first, this isn't your average home. It's like the Swiss Army knife of living spaces. You can use it as your main home, a cozy motel, a sleek office, or even a guest house. It's built for flexibility. Need to move it? No problem. It's designed to be mobile, just pack it up and go. Built like a tank, but way prettier. Made with strong, high-quality steel, this structure is tough and secure. You've got lockable doors and windows, so safety is never a question. Let's talk about comfort because you're not camping here. Inside, you've got all the essentials, a fully equipped bathroom and sleek kitchen cabinets already installed. It's ready for real-life living from day one. Now, here's where it gets smart space. Even though it's compact on the outside, the inside is designed with serious intention. Every inch is used wisely. No wasted space, no weird corners, just pure functionality blended with style. It's practical, but it doesn't look like a plain box. Assembly? Easy peasy. You don't need a whole crew to get it set up. The whole process is streamlined so you can move in without the headache. Unbox, set up, start living. That's it. And the cherry on top? Options. You've got 2 sizes to pick from, 20 feet and 40 feet. The 20-foot version comes with a living room, bathroom, kitchen, and 2 bedrooms. Yep, 2. Need more room? Go for the 40-foot model. It's got a living room, bathroom, kitchen, and 3 full bedrooms. Space for the whole crew. So whether you're a traveler, a minimalist, or someone just looking for smart living, this flat pack house might just be your next big thing. Why settle for boring when you can live smart and stylish? Prefab tiny house by Generic. Price, $13,999. Check this out. It's a 2-story custom tiny home that's totally detachable and expandable. You can go from 1 to 6 bedrooms, and it even works great as a modern prefab office too. One of the coolest things? It folds up. That means it's super easy to move and store, no stress when it's time to relocate or transport it. It's built using modular design, so setting it up or taking it down is quick and simple. Whether you want it as a temporary setup or a more permanent place, it's super versatile. Plus, there are tons of exterior styles to choose from, so you can pick a look that matches your vibe or blends into your surroundings. And don't worry about comfort. It's got a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. Everything you need packed into a smart little space. Log cabin kit by Logs and Beams for you. Price, $42,000. Hey, cabin lovers, here comes your own cozy log cabin. This might just be what you're looking for. Check this out. A log cabin shell. Kit 1,250 square feet of rustic charm, sized at 36 feet by 24 feet, 2-bedroom kitchen, living room, and dining room, complete with a loft and a porch. Price? Just $42,000. Yup, you heard that right. Now, what's in the box? You get all the essentials to start your cabin build: Swedish cope 9-inch logs. Want to go bigger? There's a 12-inch option too, or even a D-log style. Gables, ridge beam, and purlins. Outer log shell walls. Floor joists, rafters, and metal roofing. A solid lumber staircase. Plus, 3 cases of glue and about 2.5 boxes of heavy-duty 11-inch screws. Optional add-ons. Want that stunning spiral vibe? You can snag 2 14-foot by 12-inch round staircase logs with wide 12 by 10-inch steps and some 10-inch half-log steps. 12 pieces, 3 feet each. Okay, one reminder here is before you start building, make sure to check in with your local county permit office. Every state and county is different when it comes to building codes and what's allowed. So if you're ready to build your dream cabin from the ground up, this kit is a solid start. 40-foot portable prefab. Tiny home by Generic. Price: $15,288. Let us show you something seriously cool. This is a 40-foot portable prefab tiny house, and it is changing the game. 3 bedrooms, luxury vibes, and built tough with steel. Yup, it's the real deal. We're talking grown-up living, not some cramped space. And guess what? The whole thing weighs about 18,330 pounds solid, sturdy, and built to last. Now let's talk features. Modular magic. This home is all about flexibility. You can tweak the layout, move things around, and customize it to fit your lifestyle, whether you're flying solo, living the couple life, or raising a small crew. Who's got time for months of construction? Not us. This folding home is designed to snap together quickly. No heavy tools or expert skills needed. Seriously, you could be sipping coffee in your new place way faster than you think. Smart living, made easy. Want to control your lights, heating, or security from your phone? This home's got smart features built right in. It's like living in the future, only cozier. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Do comment in the comment section which one does grab your attention. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome finds. Catch you in the next one soon.